The early days of WAN optimization were very much around more bandwidth in a box, and that was really where the premise of it all started. We're now at a point where we're trying to understand how a particular application protocol behaves and intelligently prioritizing or deprioritizing or making it function on a network. It's not about just throwing more bandwidth at a problem. It's really about understanding how to create smarter networks and faster applications. If you're looking at server-based computing, if you are looking at VoIP implementations, Xpand will help you today. The beauty is moving forward as people consider virtualization for all the benefits that we know about high availability, greener IT, cost savings. Their Xpand solution will work tomorrow.